So today, kasi ang lamig-lamig na, ano, malapit na ang winter here. And especially there in the Philippines, so ang dami nang may colds, ano. So we will be talking about a common cold. So this is the most frequent respiratory infection. And they're usually viruses because of the viruses. And they appear 1 to 3 days after you have been exposed. And you usually have nasal congestion, sore throat, minsan nagka-cough din sila and sneeze, and then they have low-grade fever, and then they can also have muscle aches and fatigues. So colds can be caused by around 200 different viruses, kaya wala silang vaccine for colds kasi ang daming causes ng colds per se, okay? And most of them are in the rhinovirus family. So if you have colds, what you can do is you can drink a lot of foods that are rich in vitamin C. They always help me when I have colds. Ginger can help too, and onions, and of course my favorite, honey.